Good afternoon. My name is Shelly Agarwal, and today I'm going to talk about types of competition in economy. So, there are four types of competition in our economy. First is perfect competition, second is monopolistic competition, third is oligopoly competition, and fourth is monopoly competition. Today, we particularly talk about perfect competition. So these are the characteristics of perfect competition, or we can say the assumptions of perfect competition. So first assumption is many small firms supply the market. So there are many small firms in the market of perfect competition. When there are perfect competition, there is many small firms or many small farmers or many small sellers in the market. Then there is second assumption. The second assumption is many buyers. There are many buyers who are willing to purchase in a perfect competition. Our third assumption is all the firms sell relatively similar products. Basically, the shape, size of the product is similar. They are called homogeneous products. So all the firms, like we see in a vegetable or fruit market, that a particular fruit like apple or a particular vegetable is likely identical in the market. If so we can assume that our vegetable market or fruit market are likely a perfect competition. Okay, so in this market, the seller cannot decide the price because the products are identical. If a seller increases the price, the buyer can go to the other seller and buy the product. So that's why this market is also known as price taker. The price is decided by the buyers only. Okay. Fourth assumption of this market is all the buyers and the sellers have perfect information. This means everyone has sufficient information about the general market price. So if we generally talk about, you go to a market, your parents tell you about the prices of potatoes, of tomato, onion. So you know that you have the information, right? You have the information about the products, about the prices of each and every product. Okay. Similarly, the seller also have the information of prices, at what prices he or she should sell her products. Like if you go to a fruit or vegetable market, the seller knows the price of vegetables, knows the price of fruits at which they have to sell. So you both, like the seller and the buyer, both have the equal or symmetric information in this market. And the last is no barrier to entry. This means that it is easy and cheap to open a new business or close an existing one. So here the prices are very cheap or equal, like they are not high or they are not very less. So anyone can go, anyone can enter into the market, and anyone can exit from the market without getting any loss. So these are the characteristics of the perfect competition market. And usually in reality, there is a no perfect competition in the market, in the economy. We just can assume that there is a perfect competition in the field of wheat, corn, sugar, egg, and chicken. These are the perfectly competitive markets in the economy. These are the good examples. Otherwise, like these are like, for example, if we were talking about the fruits and vegetables, they are not homogeneous, but we assume them, if we assume them homogeneous, because the if we talk about apple, the size of the apple can vary. Few can be small, few can be large. So these are not homogeneous. Some may be ripe, some may be rotten, some may be raw. So these are not again same. So we just assume that these are the identical, and if we assume them that they are identical, only then we can consider them in perfect competition. Okay. So this is all about perfect competition, and I've already told you about these characteristics. I've already talked about the characteristics. Characteristics are identical products, firm is price takers, only one firm cannot influence the prices, and all the information are available in the market. There is a mobility in the market, and anyone can enter and exit from the market. So thank you so much, and that's all about perfect competition.